In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to address billing issues with the basic plan on Tradingview. Whether you're experiencing trouble with your subscription or have questions about your account, I'm here to guide you through the process of reaching out to Tradingview's support team effectively. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to know exactly whom to contact depending on your issue. For any basic plan, billing issues, the dedicated email address for support is support@tradingview.com. This is where you should direct any queries or concerns related to charges, payment methods, or any inconsistencies you might have encountered on your billing statement. Before you send off your email, take a moment to ensure that it is well structured and clear, which greatly enhances the chances of a swift and effective response. Start by introducing yourself briefly. This might include your full name, the email address associated with your Tradingview account, and perhaps other relevant details that could assist the support team in locating your account quickly. Next, clearly articulate the issue you're facing with your basic plan billing. Be specific and include as much detail as possible. For instance, mention any specific transactions, dates, or error messages you're seeing that are pertinent to your query. This not only saves time, but helps the support team understand your situation and respond with the appropriate information or solution. Additionally, you might want to take a screenshot of any error messages or discrepancies on your billing page. Screenshots provide a visual aid that can help illustrate exactly what you're experiencing and can be very helpful for the support team when troubleshooting. After you've laid out your issue and included any necessary attachments, it's helpful to end your email by politely requesting assistance within a reasonable time frame. A courteous closing can make a positive impression and improve communication. For those who might have other specific queries, Tradingview has designated contacts available. If you are dealing with accessibility inquiries, making sure all users have equitable access to the platform, you should email accessibility@tradingview.com. For legal matters or potential arbitration requests, direct those to legal@tradingview.com. Each specialized contact ensures that your issue is being addressed by the right team, making the entire support process more efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to contacting Tradingview for basic plan billing issues, as well as identifying the appropriate contacts for additional types of inquiries. Keep this guide handy, and you'll be prepared to tackle account issues swiftly. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Have a great day.